Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Audi A8. So from any screen, you can go to menu if you want and just turn the rotary control to navigation, or you can just click navigation there. You've got destination in the corner there, settings, info, tour. Those, the four corners correspond to these buttons here. So destination, we want destination, click destination, then address, select address, and we need postcode's the easiest. Click on postcode, and then we've got a rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need numbers. So again, you've got 09 list, delete, AA. So we want the 0 to 9. That's the bottom right hand button. PR 5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters. J, S, and click OK. It's asking me if I want to add a street, Chorley Road, and then it'll ask me for a number, but I don't. I just want to get near enough. So start route guidance. So just turn the rotary control, select that, start route guidance. That's it.